all of us. It helped us to understand the learning difficulties, their science, challenges, and how to help the children.
I felt very happy that we have so many worksheets and all the activities what we have been doing and following. Only we didn't know in what difficulty and what stage we have to make use of it. So it was really nice session. Ma'am, thank you so much, and all the time thank you, ma'am, sir, and CJ for arranging this wonderful session.